The myth of shyness, understanding and overcoming social anxiety, with me, Dr. Tony Weston. Hi! Today we're going to dive into a topic that affects millions of people around the world, shyness. You've probably heard people describe themselves, or others, as shy. But what if I told you there's really no such thing as being shy? In this video, we're going to explore why shyness is a myth, the real effects of what we call shyness, and most importantly, how you can overcome it. So let's get started. Shyness is often thought of as a personality trait, something that's just part of who we are. But in reality, shyness is a label we use to describe a set of behaviours and feelings that stem from underlying factors like social anxiety, low self-esteem, fear of judgment, or trauma. These are not fixed traits, they're patterns we've learned over time and patterns that can be changed. Think of shyness as a mask, a way to protect ourselves from perceived threats in social situations. When we say someone is shy, what we're really talking about is how they respond to social stress. This response is often rooted in a fear of negative evaluation or a lack of confidence in social skills. But here's the key. Just because you feel shy in certain situations doesn't mean you're a shy person. It's not your identity. So what are the effects of living with this so-called shyness? Well, it can lead to missed opportunities both personally and professionally. It can affect relationships, career growth, and overall happiness. But the good news is that this can be changed. You don't have to be stuck in the cycle of shyness. Now let's talk about how to overcome this. The first step is to reframe your thinking. Instead of labeling yourself as shy, start recognizing that these feelings are simply a response to certain situations. The more you practice exposing yourself to social settings, the more comfortable you'll become. It's about building your social confidence step by step. So here are some ideas. 1. Gradual exposure. Start by putting yourself in low pressure social situations and gradually increase the challenge. 2. Cognitive restructuring. Challenging troublesome thoughts that arise in social settings. Ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? And is it really that bad? So 3. Positive visualization. Visualize yourself successfully engaging in social interactions. 4. Skill building. Practice social skills such as small talk or active listening in a safe environment. This is often what I do in therapy. 5. Mindfulness. Stay present in social situations rather than getting lost in anxious thoughts. 6. If none of these approaches work, then consider seeking professional help. There could be good reasons that you may or may not be aware of as to why you are fearful of others. This can be caused by interpersonal trauma, such as living with frightening parents as a child, being neglected as a child with little social opportunities, being bullied, or participating in abusive relationships. Remember, overcoming shyness is not about becoming a different person. It's becoming the best version of yourself. It's about shedding the mask of shyness and allowing your true self to shine. Everyone has the ability to connect with others. It's a skill that can be developed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might benefit from it. And remember, you're not shy. You're simply learning to navigate the social world in your own unique way and make connections with other people, which is what life is all about. So until next time, take care and keep growing.